Hello everyone, this is Venkatesh Panyam, your physics dude. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about the 2020 Nobel Prize winners in physics. In this video, I'm going to talk about what is a black hole, how does it forms, what is the contribution of this year Nobel laureates towards the existence of the black hole. And also, I'm going to talk about what does the Nobel laureates work tell us about the black holes. Let's see. On 6th of October 2020, the Royal Swedish Academy of Sciences announced the Nobel Prize winners in physics. They decided to award one half of the 2020 Nobel Prize in Physics to Roger Penrose and the other half jointly to Reinhard Genzel and Andrea Ghez for furthering the understanding of black holes, the most enigmatic objects in the universe. He is an English mathematical physicist born on 8th August 1931 in England. He is the professor of mathematics at the University of Oxford, an emeritus fellow of Wadham College, Oxford, and an honorary fellow of St. John's College, Cambridge, and of University College London, which is popularly known as UCL. Penrose has made contributions to the mathematical physics of general relativity and cosmology. He has received several prizes and awards, including the 1988 Wolf Prize in Physics, which he shared with Stephen Hawking for the Penrose-Hawking singularity theorems. Now, one half of the 2020 Nobel Prize in Physics for the discovery that black hole formation is a robust prediction of the general theory of relativity. He is a German astrophysicist born on 24th March 1952 in West Germany. He is also a co-director of the Max Planck Institute for Extraterrestrial Physics, a professor at LMU, that is Loyola Marymount University, and an emeritus professor at the University of California, Berkeley. This year, he is sharing the Nobel Prize for Physics along with Andrea Ghez and Roger Penrose for the discovery of supermassive compact object at the center of the galaxy. She is an American astronomer born on June 16, 1965 in New York City in USA. She is a professor in the Department of Physics and Astronomy at UCLA, that is University of California, Los Angeles, known for studying the center of the Milky Way galaxy. This year, she is sharing one half of the Nobel Prize with Reinhard Genzel, the other half of the prize being awarded to Roger Penrose. The Nobel Prize was awarded to Ghez and Genzel for their discovery of a supermassive compact object, now generally recognized to be a black hole in the Milky Way's galactic center. black hole is an entity in space where there is an intense gravitational force from which even light also cannot escape. A black hole is formed when a star collapses after all its energy sources are exhausted. If we want to escape from Earth's gravitational pull, we have to travel at a speed of 11.2 kilometers per second or nearly 40,000 kilometers per hour. But since in a black hole the gravitational force is so intense, even light also cannot escape. That is, the escape velocity on the surface of the black hole is velocity of light, which is 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. Since light cannot get out, black holes are invisible and can only be tracked with the help of a space telescope or other special tools. And the reason light cannot escape is mainly that the gravity inside a black hole is very strong as a result of a lot of matter being squeezed into a small space. Penrose's work has shown that black holes are a direct consequence of Albert Einstein's general theory of relativity. Genzel and Gage discovered that an invisible and an extremely heavy object governed the star's orbit at the center of the Milky Way. Their work tells us that at the center of our galaxy, the Milky Way, lies an invisible supermassive object of which a black hole provides a reasonable explanation. Physicists have been suspecting the existence of a black hole at the center of our galaxy from last 50 years. In order to see through to the middle of the Milky Way, Genzel and Gage worked on developing methods and used some of the world's largest telescopes. By observing the orbits of the stars that are closest to the center of the Milky Way, the physicists think that the black hole could most likely be hiding in Sagittarius, a source of radio waves around which all stars in the Milky Way orbit. In other words, the existence of black hole at the center of our galaxy is what the physicists believe is what pulls a jumble of stars, causing them to rush around the dizzying speeds. So, Penrose and Genzel and Gage found that through their work that there exists a black hole at the center of the Milky Way. Because of that only, all these stars are moving in different speeds and they're rushing towards each other. And because of their research over a period of time, the Nobel Prize was given to them. I hope you all understood what is a black hole and how does they form, and the contribution this year Nobel laureates towards the existence of black holes at the center of Milky Way. Thanks for watching my video. If you like my content, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. And do not forget to click the bell icon for more updates. Happy physics learning. This is your Venkatesh Pandya.